At alam na ni Coach Randy ang galawan at ang tamang diskarte dito sa finals. Season 97, they lost to Letran. Last year, they lost to San Beda. They're looking to take the crown in their third finals appearance as Clint Escamis scores his first 2 points in these finals. Clint Escamis here surveys the floor, scanning for a teammate here. To take this one off the dribble against Justin Sanchez. Escamis, yes, off the bench. For the reigning rookie MVP, and Mapua gets a faster start. Grabe yung kumpiyansa dito ni Jomel Ancheta. 4-point advantage for the Cardinals. Escamis stops, takes, and hits. 8 points in the first for Escamis.
Winave off niya yung yung screen eh. Hindi, akin na to. Gagawin ko ng paraan to. Ayun naman.
Escamis
Ito na.
is ahead of the pack, and he is gone. 10 first quarter points for the reigning rookie MVP.
And ito na yung pinakamalaking kalabangan natin. 8 points para dito sa Mapua.
Allen Liwag. Kailangan na magtrabaho ni Liwag, pero mintis yung tira niya. And Mapua runs with it again.
They're really securing the rebound. Hindi nila
Escamis.
binibigyan.
When he's hot, he's hot. Escamis is in the zone.
With Abonete, Concepcion, Bobilla, pagbalik ni Recto.
Ian Torres misses. Here's the save by Abonete. And Mangubat ends up with it. Escamis now has the basketball. Escamis pull-up jumper. Got it again! For 14 points for Clint Escamis.
Grabe. Wala ka nang masasabi dito kay Clint Escamis. Hindi maganda gising nito. Ito, sobrang ganda lang. At ito.
Perfect anticipation. Escamis all the way! And the foul! Clint Escamis is putting on a show. And he gives Mapua their largest lead here in the first. Look at this. Simple, getting to his spot. Unbothered is the reigning rookie MVP. He is out for blood, Big Bo.
Mga 15-17 footer para dito kay Escamis. Matik eh. Yung mga ganyan.
How about Clint Escamis today? Advantage when it comes to physicality here. Ganda nung pasahan. Pero nang agaw ng Mapua. Bobilla recovers, picks it up. Ilalabas kay Abonete. Escamis for 3. Escamis knocks it down! And the foul! A chance for 4 for Clint Escamis. What a show! 21 points, 3-pointer, and the foul with a lot of contact. No problem for Mr. Rookie MVP, and that amazing play from Clint Escamis is definitely our McDonald's play of the game, brought to you by the new and better McCafe Iced Coffee Boulder Brew and Creamier Blend McDonald's. And let's see if they can execute here. So far, it's Benid who has gotten the upper hand, at least in the beginning. Pero eto na ang Mapua!
Wow!
Double clutch to the hoop for Clint Escamis.
Coming off a turnover. Dire-diretso itong si Mangubat. Ayan na naman.
Agaw na naman ang Mapua. Counter takeaway by Benil. Jomel Ancheta. At yung mga napaka-underrated, yung mga deflection itong Mapua. Kasi nag-disrupt yung
system
ng offense.
Kanina, pasa kay Liwag. Na-deflect. Eto, Inot. Wala.
Tony Inot misfires. And loose ball ends up outside. Let's check out this play. Look at this. Igliane tapping it from behind. Lawrence Mangubat going to Clint Escamis. Sinausaw pa sa ere ni Clint. And that champ moment of the game is brought to you by Milo. Get winning energy every day with Milo. Kick out. Eusebio will choose to attack. Antonio will miss.
Sayang, nilagay niya na yun. Pero wala eh. Talagang witness.
Half a minute remaining in the third. Clint Escamis sneaks one in.
Ito, walang mintis-mintis dito.
JC Recto now has 9 to work with. Recto lost control, and here comes Jimmy Lancheta. Blazers trying to get back on the comeback kill, but Escamis takes it away. Coast to coast action for Clint Escamis.
Ganda nung anticipation niya doon sa cross pass ito ni Ancheta.
Parehas na mga focal points sa kanilang offensa, point of attack, and both offensively and defensively. Talking about focal points, Clint Escamis answers on the other.
Another speedy guard. Big time recruit. Escamis stops, pops, and connects. Clint Escamis. He makes it look easy. Sign for the Blazers, Sanchez. 1-on-1 today from beyond the arc. Escamis again.
So you know that young mid-range.
Escamis and Recto leading the way for the Cardinals with 6 points apiece. And Benil started this game, Coach Hammer, with a 7-0 start. And here comes Escamis.
And again, passing lanes being played well by Clint Escamis. The pressure getting into Benil.
Reminding his players of what happened last year against San Beda. They don't want a repeat of that. Concepcion, what a stop. Rising up to deny Roger Ondoa.
Grabe, nakaupo na, naka-rebound pa.
Escamis gives it to Iliane. Torres is denying Manguban. Escamis with a burst of speed. Clint Escamis count the basket plus the foul.
Tuloy-tuloy dito ang pagdating ng mga atake ng Mapua. And Benil looking like they're shell-shocked right now.
And this amazing play from Clint Escamis is definitely our McDonald's play of the game, brought to you by the new and better McCafe Iced Coffee Boulder Brew Creamier Blend. McDonald's, love ko to.
This is unfamiliar territory for them. 14 turnovers na sila dito in the first half alone.
And
Yeah,
an average 15.9. Clint Escamis. He makes a bad shot look good.
But Mapua showing maturity, not rushing, just taking its time, lulling the defense of Benil to sleep dahil sizable lead to. This is 13 points. You don't need to rush. You just need to put pressure. Daganan mo lang ng daganan.
Escamis for 3. Clint Escamis. It's time. It's his time. He is hoping, praying that they can finally bring the championship home. The face that runs the place. Last season's rookie MVP.